The Rhyme Cartoon Club.
Are you ready for your bath?
Yes, yes, yes I am.
Time to wash and play with bubbles. Splish,
Splash, 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 splash.
can you wash your hands and face?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
Rub-a-dub and scrub them clean.
Scrub, 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 scrub.
Can you wash your little hair?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
With some bubbles everywhere.
Scrub, 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 scrub.
Can you wash your arms and legs?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
I can scrub them nice and clean.
Scrub, 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 scrub.
Can you wash your tiny toes?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
Tickle, giggle, bubble, play.
Splash, 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 splash.
Can you play with bath time toys?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
Rub a duck and splashing boat.
Quack, quack, splash, splash, splash.
Can you pop the bubbles high?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
Pop them up into the sky.
Pop, 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 pop.
Can you rinse the bubbles off?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
Now I'm shiny, clean and soft.
Splish, splash, splish, splash, splash.
Can you wear your jammies warm?
Yes, yes, yes I can.
After bath I'm safe and snug.
Hug, 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 hug.
Bath time's over, day is done.
Yes, 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 hooray.
Clean and shiny, let's go play.
Hip, 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 hooray.
The Rhyme Cartoon Club.
Let's learn our ABC. Come on, friends. 1, 2, 3, let's go! A is for astronaut. Astronaut. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. B is for balloon. Balloon. C is for cupcake. Cupcake. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. E is for engine. Engine.
Oh, ABC is fun to say. Learning letters every day.
Sing with me,
Shout it out loud. Join the ABC happy crowd.
F is for fire.
Fire.
G is for guitar.
Guitar.
H is for helicopter.
H, helicopter.
I is for insect.
Insect.
J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L is for lollipop.
Lollipop.
M is for monster.
Monster.
N is for noodles.
Noodles.
O is for octopus.
Octopus. Clap, clap, clap. We are halfway there.
Let's sing the rest. P is for popcorn.
Popcorn.
Q is for queen.
Queen.
R is for robot.
R, robot.
S is for superhero.
S, superhero.
T is for train.
Train.
U is for unicorn.
Unicorn.
V is for van.
Van.
W is for watermelon.
Watermelon.
X is for x-ray.
X-ray.
Y is for yo-yo.
Yo.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra. Now we know our ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah! Jiggles!
Yay! Let's learn the ABCs. A, B, C. Come along and sing with me. Learning is as easy as can be. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. Hunt. E is for elephant. North. F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. umbrella.
U, umbrella.
V is for van.
V, van.
W is for watch.
Watch.
X is for x-ray.
Legs, X-ray.
Y is for yellow.
Yellow.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? From A to Z, learning is as easy as can be.
Yeah! Clap.
Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe and join our happy learning family.
Okay, Sparky, let's sing the ABCs. Are you ready? All right, here we go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Shh, Sparky, let's sing it very quietly, like a little mouse. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, Sparky, wake up! Let's sing it super fast and loud. Can you keep up? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! We did it! Good boy, Sparky! Bye-bye! Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Hello, friends! Look who is here. It's the naughty duck. He wants to sing the ABCs with us. But whenever you see the duck, you have to say quack. Are you ready? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Y, and Z.
That was easy. But look, the duck is back.
A, B, C, quack.
D, E, F, G,
Quack.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Quack.
T, U, V,
Quack.
W, X,
Y, and Z.
Oh my! He is hiding everywhere now. A, B, C,
Quack.
D, E, F, G,
Quack.
G, H, I, J, K,
Quack.
L, M, N, O, P,
Quack.
Q, R, S,
Quack.
T, U, V,
Quack.
W, X,
Y, and Z.
Oh my! He is hiding everywhere now. A, B, C,
Quack.
D, E, D, E, F,
Quack.
G, H, I, J, K,
Quack.
L, M, N, O, P,
Quack.
Q, R, S, T, U,
Quack.
W, X,
Y, and Z.
Oh no! It's a duck invasion. Can you keep up? Let's go super fast. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Y, and Z.
Yay! Good job. See you next time, Mr. Duck.
Quack.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel. The Rhyme Cartoon Club.
Red egg, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red egg jumps up, do-do-do-do-do, learning colors, fun for you. Blue egg, flying high, here I am in the sky. Blue egg
egg spins round, do 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 do. Learning colors, me and you. Yellow egg, shining bright. Here I am, full of light. Yellow egg laughs, do 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 do. Learning colors, yes we do. Green egg in the grass. Here I am, rolling fast. Green egg sings loud, do 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 do. Learning colors, fun for you. Pink egg, dancing round. Here I am, look what I found. Pink egg claps hands, do 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 do. Learning colors, woo hoo hoo. Purple egg, twirling bright. Here I am, what a sight. Purple egg giggles, do 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 do. Learning colors, one by one too. Orange egg, rolling ride. Here I am, full of pride. Orange egg waves, do 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 do. Learning colors, just for you. All the eggs together, one big crew. Red and blue and yellow too. Let's all sing, do 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 do. Learning colors, me and you.
The Rhyme Cartoon Club.